Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to download Zara app on your smartphone. Zara is a fashion brand that comes up with the latest trends in clothing for men, women and kids. It's a very simple download process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are using an Android. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type Zara and search for it. You'll see the Zara app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have this logo. Once you have found the app, you can see the install button right next to the app icon if you're using an Android, or a get button if you're using an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on open. Tap on access. And there you go. You've successfully downloaded the Zara app on your smartphone. You are now ready to start exploring the Zara app. Happy shopping! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.